This is a brand new 2014 Ram 1500. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, the Uconnect infotainment system, satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 9101 Camp Bowie West in Fort Worth.